Today we're going to be going over the steps for how to create a sharp scan to email address book entry and how to set the SMTP server information. Open an internet browser, type the IP address of the copier into the address bar and press enter. In order to enter a new address book entry, you will need to log in as the administrator. If you do not have the administrator password, please contact the DEX Imaging Help Desk or your internal IT to continue. Select the Address Book tab. Then click Add. First, you will be prompted to enter a search number. If this field is left blank, the next available number will automatically populate. Next, you are required to enter an address name. This should be the name of the person whose email inbox will receive the scan jobs. While entering an initial is optional, it is considered a best practice. Now, check the box next to register this address to frequent use so the entry will be added to the frequent use index. Scroll down and you will notice that the email tab is selected by default, then it is required to enter the email address of the person whose name was entered in the section above. Finally, click Submit to save a single destination. If you are entering multiple destinations, select Submit and Register next instead. In order to enter the SMTP server information, you will need to stay logged in as the administrator. Click the System Settings tab, then the Network Settings option. Before proceeding, you must have the following information available: the SMTP email server hostname, the port number being used, and finally an active email address and the password used to log into it if required. If you do not have this information, you must acquire it from your IT or email server administrator. Select Service Settings, then you will notice that the SMTP tab is selected by default. Enter the SMTP server being used next to primary server, then the port number. Sender name should either be the company name or the name of the sender address. Most if not all modern email servers require a login to be utilized, so check the box next to enable SSL/TLS. The authentication method will need to be selected, then the username will be the same as the email address. Check the box next to change password, then enter the password used to log into that mailbox. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Execute button next to Connection Test. If there is an error message in the box after clicking the Execute button, please verify the SMTP server settings. After entering the SMTP server information, you will click Submit to complete the entry. Since nothing was entered, the Submit button was not clicked. Finally, go to the copier and test the scan to email settings using a destination that you created. If the job fails and you get an error message, please contact the DEX Imaging Help Desk and they will assist you with troubleshooting the issue. This concludes the tutorial for how to create a sharp scan to email address book entry and how to set up the SMTP server information. Thank you for choosing DEX Imaging and please subscribe to our channel.